We are slowly but steadily nearing the major debut of Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung is out there creating a new standard for the display on the whole Galaxy S24 series, while Apple is busy providing customers a 60Hz display on the iPhone in 2023 and 2024. As previously stated, the S24 series will be 25% brighter than the iPhone 15 range, with all S24 models coming in at 2500 nits. According to the most recent leaks, Samsung is poised to improve things even further. Previously, Samsung has kept their LTPO display refresher technology exclusive to the S24 Ultra. Not only do we get dynamic refresh trade in terms of usage, but we also get massive improvements in battery life. But things are changing as Samsung could bring the LTPO display to the entire Galaxy series, especially for the vanilla Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The LTPO screen will enable the refresh rate to be as low as feasible, to roughly 1 Hz, thus unleashing the S24 and S24 Plus's tremendous battery life potential. The chip in the Galaxy S24 Ultra may be the finest in the world. According to Ice Universe, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is a pretty beast of a chip, beating the Apple A17 Pro chip, which is very strong and the strongest we have right now, but it struggles when it comes to maintaining that sustained performance for a very long time. However, it appears that Qualcomm has figured it out with the 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip. Again, coming for all S24 Ultra variants in all areas, along with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Samsung will undoubtedly bring their finest cooling system to ensure we receive the greatest performance without sacrifice. With the 200-megapixel sensor in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung may be implementing their new Zoom Anywhere image sensor technology. This was stated a week ago, along with the Exynos 2400 chip, that Samsung has allowed a new kind of zoom experience, allowing users to shoot images of moving objects at 1x to 4x magnification without sacrificing image quality. This is done in addition to the new AI-based tracking technology that tracks and captures items automatically. I have to say that Samsung will be unlocking the true potential of that 200-megapixel sensor on the S24 Ultra along with the latest image ISP upgrades that are coming with the next generation of S smartphones. And let's not forget Samsung's most controversial zoom move is also coming as they implement a new 5x zoom that has a bigger sensor size as well as bigger aperture, potentially even beating the 10x zoom that we have on the S23 Ultra. But only time will tell because there is mixed opinion on that. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.